Do you want to know how you can make money right now on Mixer without being an actual partner? Well, in this video, I've got 5 quick and easy ways on where you can make money today on Mixer right now without being a partner. So stick around because I've got you covered. Welcome back, everyone. It is Papa Crunk here, where I bring you what I feel are the best streaming tips and tricks. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how you can grow your brand or to simply improve your stream, then subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell down below so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Well, making partnership on Mixer or any other platform for that matter is not that easy and can be a very long journey for many of you. So if you are just getting started out as a streamer or content creator, then it may be a while before you can start making some big money. Now, there's no need to worry because I've got you covered. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 fast and easy ways on how you can start making money today on Mixer without being a partner. Now, if you're already a partner, then some of these tips may work for you as well. So grab a pen and paper and let's begin. Sign up for a free service called Loots.com. Now, Loots.com is a free service that will permit you to monetize your channel through advertisements. Now, every time an ad is played on your stream, you will receive revenue based off of the number of viewers that you have in your stream at that time. Now, this is a great way for you to engage with your community. Your community can send you ads all stream long, and they can even add messages into the ad itself. Now, over time, this revenue will add up and you are well on your way to making some decent money. Now, tip number 2 is donations. Now, you don't have to be a partner to accept donations. Now, this is a great way for you to engage with your community, and your community can support you and your brand. Now, in order to do this, you need 2 things. The first thing that you're going to need is a PayPal account. Now, you can create your PayPal account via paypal.com. And then the second thing you're going to need is a Streamlabs account, which you can set up at streamlabs.com. Now, once you create those 2 accounts, then you're able to start accepting donations. Now, you don't need to be a partner to accept donations. Everyone is permitted to do so. You know, you never know who will be watching or just visiting your stream, and they just might be feeling generous or just simply want to support you and your channel. So whether it be $1 or $2 or even $100, you just don't know and you want to be prepared. So donations are a great way for you to generate an income without being a partner. Now, the third tip is through Mixer Embers. Now in January 2020, Mixer did open up their Mixer Open Monetization program, also known as MOM, which means that everybody is eligible to earn Embers. Now, there are a few requirements that you got to do. You can't just be from day one, but your account has to be at least 2 months old, and you have to have, they like to see at least 200 followers. Now, there is nothing set in stone. There is an application process that you have to do through your broadcast webpage in order to apply for it. And then once you're accepted, there's some tax information that you have to fill out for that through them. But it's a great way for you to monetize your streams, and your supporters can then support you via Embers. Now, tip number 4 is using a subscription service. So you don't need to be a partner to have subscribers. You can use a third-party website such as this one. This is the more popular one called Patreon.com, and it's also the one that I use and I recommend. Now, Patreon is not just for streamers and content creators. It's for other people that are artists, musicians, wherever your talents lie. Many people, hundreds of thousands of people use this site because it's easy, it's convenient, and they offer great tools for you to engage with your community, and they give you many different options on how you can give back to your community for them supporting you on a monthly subscription service. And then coming in at number 5 is to monetize your talents. So if you're an artist and you like to draw and you like to make overlays, or you're a graphic designer, if you are a developer and you like to write code and programs and things like that, or if you're a musician and want to sell music, or an artist and want to sell your paintings, or whatever it is you can do it right here at Fiverr.com, or there are some other sites out there, but you can monetize your talents and you can make some money while you're not in partnership. And there you have it, folks. That's 5 quick and easy ways on how you can monetize your stream and your content on Mixer without being a partner. Now, I will be doing a follow-up video to this, to where there will be some more advanced ways where you can make some money while not being a partner on Mixer. So make sure to hit that subscription button down below, give that bell a ting, so that way when I do upload that video, you get notified right away. And so there you have it, folks. Crunk's going to be signing out. So remember, everybody, play more games and get crunked tonight.